Building a website for your local dog groomer business doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional website on the multi-sites platform for your dog groomer business. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-sites is literally the easiest way to launch a website. It's an easy to use website generator for small businesses, and you can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for a multi-page website for your dog groomer business on the multi-sites platform. Let me show you how easy it is to launch a website on the platform for your local business. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see here, we've got hundreds of different market templates to choose from for various local businesses. Doesn't matter what local business you have, it will literally have pre-written contents and pre-selected images specific to the market that you select. So let's head to the top here and search for my market, dog groomer. There is a mobile dog groomer option, but I'm going to go ahead and select the general option. Great, so let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our dog grooming business so it can generate a website for me with this information. Let's put in our business name. So let's say, for example, I have a dog groomer business in Denver. I'm just using this one as an example, Pampered Paws, very cute name. As well as my city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We literally have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and generates a professional website for me with this information I've just put in. Look at that. It literally took a couple seconds and it made a whole new website for me. The first thing it's going to do is bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website, showing you how to update the section, easily add business information, update your social links, choose layouts and colors. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that because I'm going to be the one to show you around your brand new website. It's got pre-selected images, very high quality, suitable for your business, pre-written contents as well, suitable for your business as well. Of course, you can change the colors, change the contents, upload your own images if you wish to. You can update each section, make it more suitable to your business. It's really easy. But if you don't have the time and maybe you're happy with the website as is, it does look really great, you can literally leave it just like this. However, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it a bit more personalized, make it a bit more branded to your very own local business. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is here at the bottom. You don't have to make use of this section, but I think it's a really great feature. It's called the Elf Site widget section. If you haven't heard of Elf Site before, you can upgrade your website without any coding. You can get started for free. There is a free plan available. The first widget is free. Otherwise, it's just going to set you back about $5 to $10, but you absolutely can use the free version. No credit card details are needed. You can add widgets and upgrade your websites with little widgets such as Facebook reviews, Google reviews, an FAQ section. You can add a comment section. There's loads here to choose from. So once you've registered a free account, I want to go ahead and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your widgets. I've already registered an account here, so I'm going to go ahead and select the Google reviews option. You can select a template here to start with. This one looks great, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with that one. It's now going to ask me to search for my business name and address. Remember, for the Google business, this would be if you've already claimed your business on Google My Business. If you haven't done so, I really recommend it. So you can start collecting Google reviews for your business. Let's go ahead and search for my business, Pampered Paws, search. This is not my business, it's just an example, of course. Great, Pampered Paws, I've found my business that I'm going to be using as an example. I'm going to select that and it's literally going to pull in and collect all my reviews. Awesome, so it's pulled in all my reviews for my business. Let's go ahead and click on publish and I'm going to go to install my new widgets. Now you don't need to know any coding at all you need to do is copy this coding. It's really straightforward. Head on back to your multi-sites, click on update section under Elf Sites only. This won't work in any other section except for the one at the bottom. Paste it in, save the widgets, and then you can reload your page to display your Google Business reviews. Awesome, look at that. It's pulled in all my reviews from Google Business profile. Looks very professional. Makes my website and local business look more professional and trustworthy, displaying all these reviews. Awesome. I'm now going to make my way to the top and just quickly make my way through each section, showing you how easy it is to customize your brand new multi-site website. Let's click on the first section at the top. Over here, you can put in a few basic details about your business contact information so your customers can easily reach out to you. Click on show email and site to display it over there. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Update social links section. If you're active on social media, you can put the links over here for each platform. Once you've done that, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section over here. Browse your device to upload it. Maybe you've just started your business recently, you don't have a huge budget for a logo, hire a designer, or you literally just want to do it yourself. I like to make use of canva.com. It is a free service. There is a paid version as well, which is really affordable. I think it's around $10 a month. But you absolutely can create a logo for free with the free version. So let's go ahead and search for a template dog groomer logo and see what pops up. Look at that. There are quite a few great options over here. There's even a loyalty card, which is really awesome. That's actually free to use. The ones with the little icon at the bottom are on the paid version, but there are some here that are completely free to use and they look really professional and cute. I like this one, so let's go ahead and select that option. Now you can customize it. You can change the icon, the colors, the fonts to suit your business a bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pampered Paws. Look at that, looks really great. I can change the color for this as well. Love it. That looks so awesome. Let's go ahead and click on download. I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload your brand new logo to your multi-site website. Now, if you want to edit your logo, you can click on that little pencil icon. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, but I think it's perfect the way it is. So I'm going to click on save. On the right, I can make my logo bigger and smaller. Look at that, looks really awesome. If you want to change the colors used throughout your website, you can do so as well. Just click on that icon, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes. There are so many to choose from. Let's click on save. Now, as mentioned, you can leave your website as is, or you can customize each section, make it a bit more suited to your local business. For each section you want to edit, just click on that update section button. Over here on the left is where you can update the image. Browse your device to upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. They're all very professional and of course free for you to use. Underneath update actions, we can change those call to action buttons. You can change the text on them and where they link to. So maybe you take online bookings through an online booking system like Calendly, for example. You can pop in the URL over here, or you could link to an action like click to call directions. Another great option is to upload a PDF file, maybe with your pricing points for your dog grooming services. Upload it over here. And when your customers click on that button, they'll easily view the PDF with your pricing. Underneath update content is where you can change the content that was pre-written for you to make it more suited to your business. If you have a bit of writer's block, you can make use of ChatGPT, which is another great AI tool to write content for your website. Just give it a prompt, write me an about me section for my dog grooming service location Denver, Colorado. My business name is Pampered Paws and I've been operating for 20 years. Great. Give ChatGPT that prompt. It will literally write you a professional and friendly about me section for your local business. You can literally copy and paste that into your about us section on your multi-site websites. There are so many free tools you can make use of to upgrade your website and benefit your local business, like creating flyers or social media images on canva.com for free and writing content for your business as well. Look at that, looks fantastic. So here at the bottom you have a lead generation form. Your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries via this form. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Every time a lead comes in, you will get notified via your registered email account that you have a new lead coming in. Then you can easily contact your potential customers and get in touch with them, keep track of all of those. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can easily connect it. Just click on the button at the bottom. This is for if you already have a domain, you've already purchased a custom domain somewhere else, click on already have a domain. Multi-sites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your existing domain really straightforward. You pop in your URL over here, click on continue, and entry will connect it for you. If you don't have a domain yet, you can click on purchase a new domain and purchase one via the multi-sites platform. Great idea as well to make your website look more professional and trustworthy. So there you have it, a professional one-page website for your local dog groomer business. You can leave it as one page if you want to have all the information in one page, easy for your customers to view. But if you have more sections that you'd like to add, we've recently introduced a feature where you can actually add more pages. You just click on add a new page at the top. You can add up to 9 pages. So let's say, for example, you want to add a FAQ, frequently asked questions page. Click on add new page once you put the title, and it will generate another page for you where you can put in another off-site widgets over here. Everything's standard, so all you need to do is click on update section, put in your content, perhaps FAQ, and put all the frequently asked questions here. Just as an example, you can have up to 9 pages. It's not going to affect the pricing point for your multi-sites websites. It's still going to be $9 a month. How awesome is that? So there you have it. I've created and launched a professional $9 a month website for my local dog groomer business. It literally took me a couple minutes to launch it, make edits to it, to make it suitable to my business. Very straightforward. Don't have to know any coding. Don't need to hire a professional to help you with this. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not tech savvy. Everything looks very great. If you have any questions about multi-sites, how to use the platform, or any local business questions, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Don't forget to check out our other videos. We have loads of great marketing tips for marketing your local business. Remember, multi-sites is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So be sure to click on the link below to get started, see how well it works for you and your local business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.